Hey, so if Audacity is not showing waveform, yeah, like you record audio, but the track looks empty or flat even though sound is there, that can be really confusing. In this complete guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, make sure the correct microphone is selected. Wrong input can record silence or invisible tracks. Next, zoom into the waveform. Sometimes it's actually recorded, just too small to see. Now, increase the track height. If the track is too small, waveform may look missing. Check the input meter while recording. If there's no movement, your mic isn't capturing sound. Now, restart Audacity completely. UI glitches can sometimes hide waveforms. Try switching the audio host to MME or Windows WASAPI. This can fix display and recording issues. Now, make sure your project sample rate is set correctly. Wrong settings can cause display issues. Corrupted settings can stop waveform from appearing. Resetting Audacity can fix it fast. If nothing works, reinstall Audacity. This restores default recording and display settings. So that's how you fix Audacity not showing waveform. Most of the time, it's zoom settings, input issues, or configuration problems. Try these steps and your waveform should appear normally again. Thanks for watching.